This time we will learn about Object Snaps ZWCAD. When you want to add new object after last object in ZWCAD, you will need a reference object or point. We can use Object Snaps feature to handle it. Without this feature, it is difficult to match any object from one to another. There are two ways to activate Object Snap. First way to activate Object Snap. From Workspace Properties click this icon and choose Object Snap one by one. For example, we cannot draw a circle from the middle of this line. We will activate Snap to the middle of this line with checkmark this middle menu. Now we can easily create a circle from the middle of this line. Another example, we want to move the circle, but not easy to pick this point. We can activate another object snap like Node Snap. Now, we can easily pick the circle from this cycle point to the middle of the line point. Second way to activate Object Snap. Click the snap icon and choose Settings. From this window, you can choose one by one with Add checkmark or Clear All at once. Or you can click Snap All button to activate all Object Snap with one click.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.